For most of us, we cannot understand brain injury. It is described as living underwater, and simple things can seem overwhelming. It is experienced by many, but invisible to others. Although some professionals are still working on a solution, the majority spend their time studying the problem, conducting physical and cognitive tests. But they miss the most important tool entirely: the brain itself. The brain has a tiny organ called the pineal gland. When accessed, it contains an instruction set for healing concussion symptoms. Although this technique might be cutting edge, it has its roots in ancient wisdom. Energy neuroplasticity allows the brain permission to heal itself. It just needs to be turned on. Explore your own healing potential. Explore with Orion Mott, the brain healer in Toronto.